Hello, I'm Mimi, and as I get ready to enter 2022, I've been looking back on this past year. On all the wonderful opportunities I've had, all the illustrations I've done, and most of all, the amazing people I've been able to connect with here on YouTube, on Instagram, and on Patreon. My community has grown so much this year, and I'm so grateful to have every single one of you joining me on my art journey. So this video is a great big hug and a thank you to you. It's a thank you to everyone who has watched a video of mine this year, liked an Instagram post, signed up to my Patreon, left me a comment, or sent me a nice message. It's because of you that I get to do what I'm doing. It's because of you that I get to spend every day illustrating and making art content, and that I get to call it my job now. And boy did I illustrate a lot this year. In 2021, I drew over 130 illustrations to post on Instagram, plus a few dozen commissions, and illustrated my first picture book. It's because of my community that this year I grew from 2,000 to 70,000 Instagram followers and from 60 to 20,000 YouTube subscribers. And it's because of my community that I get to run a Patreon and share tutorials and tips with other creative people, and that's super cool. I moved to Tasmania to the countryside and have never felt more inspired. I got my partner Dan involved in my video content, and now I get to make these YouTube videos with him. I started an Etsy shop, began licensing my art, and then we got monetized on YouTube. Toward the end of the year, I finally started making enough money from my art content to be able to illustrate full-time. And if you watch my recent video about my art journey, then you'll know how much it means to me that I get to say that. So I don't want to sound melodramatic, but you've kind of changed my life this year. Every single view, like, comment, subscribe, follow, and kind message is so appreciated because I'm just a girl following her dreams and you're helping to make them happen. So thank you for making 2021 a special year for me. Community is everything, and I think I have the nicest, most supportive community on the internet. So if you're thinking of building your own audience online in 2022, but are worried about what people will think, or about not getting enough likes, or about negative comments, just remember that none of that stuff matters because there are a whole lot of internet friends out there waiting to meet you and encourage you if you just take the leap and put yourself out there. I hope that you've got big dreams ready for 2022 because we're going to be making videos about how you can build your own art business, about illustrating, and about social media as a creative. And I'm really excited to share what I've learned with you. So thank you again for your support, and I'll see you next year. Bye bye!